Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term, so what does it actually mean? In simple words, is an acronym used casually in online chats or texts, often to express a phrase or reaction. People use it when they want to communicate quickly without spelling out the whole expression. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. sdiybt first showed up in the 2020s in internet forums and social media messages. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people chatting online. Now let's check out how to use SD in a sentence. Correct example 1. I saw your message saying sdiybt and had to ask what it meant. Correct example 2. Hey, SDI, what's up today? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using sdiybt right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap means an acronym used casually in slang chat. It started in the internet era, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Step in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.